And guys, may dalawa yung ano ngayon. Golden State Warrior at saka Trail. So,
And that was a great replay we just saw of our Mobile One block. Early in the game, these sorts of plays really can set the tone.
ang laban to talagang ano, gigitan no.
Closing out on the three-point shooting and then protecting the rim.
Tumakas ng press mo.
Jump shooters.
Pointer pa rin siya.
And there are a lot
Si
of good
Puto
ones in
daw.
the NBA.
Panapat pala kay ano yan eh.
No doubt about it.
Panapat kay Curry.
Simple up lang.
Few guys, James Harden.
Yun,
He shoots that
ulo
step
nito.
back three, but he's a guy that, because of his ability to utilize your inability to defend that three-pointer.
Wala. Kailangan.
Dame Lillard, those are some guys.
Nah.
Chris Paul still as good as anybody in that mid-range area. CJ
Yun din ako.
Kailangan.
really feasted and carved out a nice niche for themselves in the NBA because of that ability to take and make the jump shots.
Foul.
And a foul on Andrew Wiggins. That's his first foul. Kent Bazemore is checked in for Wiggins. Simons the pass to Kent. To the inside. Anthony. That ball is
3 seconds na yun, no? Sa ilalim mo.
Well, if you go to
Hindi
lead,
na tawagan ng...
Ulit dikitan talaga ang laban.
Colin good at sensing when his man was going to be wide open.
Yun, oh.
To points.
Talaga nag-practice itong si ano ah.
Late defensive rotation and getting the ball.
Kondisyon na yun ah.
Wait
So
lang.
timeout call here in the first for
Wait lang.
Portland. And coaches looking to seize every advantage.
Karon dyan, no?
Okay. Nga ang gano'n dito, no?
Gotta feel good as a coach if you make all those adjustments, hold the right swings. That's what they love to do.
For Portland, they've gone 8-12
1
on
minute
field
left.
attempts so
20
far.
seconds.
Andrew finds Jones. Here's Simons. Back to McCollum. And there's the pass to Jones.
Uy!
Yun oh, naiwanan na rin. Wala na pati sayang.
McCollum, no good. Pass to Simons.
Yung press ulit. Pasok. Hindi pointer pala to si Simon eh. Simon for 3.
Usually likes to score.
Lamang ulit ang Portland.
Bazemore for three.
Tinulak siya, no? Oh.
Pass to Simons.
Ano eh, dinak no? Okay.
Tinulak siya, no? Dapat foul yun.
Si Simon palang magaling dyan sa itong buhay. As mo ko dyan.
Something every team wants to have.
They like to see that assertiveness, especially from the guy who's going to orchestrate the offense.
Ba't hindi sumali si Simon sa ano? Kasali ba yan sa ano? Sa Team USA dati?
Made for TV here. Scoring is good.
Oh,
And both of the teams
Si Simon din, parang hindi na alam si Simon.
Tight power forward, but he has tremendous athletic ability. Shot clock and game clock separated by less than 6 seconds. Toscano, a better recovery. Pass in the pool. Second chance effort. And Painter brings it down. And listen, sometimes even the best of us are going to miss the easiest of opportunities.
Binitin, yari ko. Pasok
D
yun.
by Bazemore, really clamping down on his man and giving no room to get that shot.
And he just elevates
Sige,
it.
lawan, no?
Sili ang ano ah, ilalim ah.
Here's Simon. And no good on the last second attempt this time.
Yan na ng first quarter.
His word.
Dikit ng laban.
Selfish at times.
Yung start na ng second quarter.
If it ain't broke, keep going.
Tumira kagad si ano ah.
Hot hand.
Naka-stress ba yun, Dos?
You're enjoying the game. Both
Suka!
teams
Suka!
tonight keeping things pretty even so far on the scoreboard. What stands out to you guys from the Trailblazers so far this week? In that first period, they showed a willingness
Hindi kita talaga oh.
extra pass.
So much unselfish play out there. The coaching staff.
Grabe yung mga assist to, oh.
Signing the ball for the Warriors.
Crazy.
Then there's Kent Bazemore. And it's Looney in at the pivot spot, manning the middle. Robert Covington's checked in for Derek Jones. Murray with the steal.
Binaw na naman yan ah.
These are great signs when Oubre can play with this kind of impact on both ends.
Pasa pag alanganin.
Blazers trail by 4. And just as Kelly Oubre was hitting the
Tumira.
as an NBA starter,
meniscus
Yan na.
tear in his right knee ended this season. Now, back in action, we'll see how quickly he can recover.
Si Curry yun? Nasa place
Hindi,
ko.
hindi. Scary.
Dishes to Lillard. Again, a miss by the Trailblazers.
And the great shooters know
Patay na.
they've got enough opening to go for the three. I didn't think it was a bad choice on that.
And he
Bah.
gets it to go.
Nawala.
Bazemore got the lead up to 6 now for the Warriors. And before the injury, Kelly Oubre playing a career high minutes.
Second verse lang. Second verse lang. Ngayon.
Tatlong free throw yan.
Di ba? Walang ginagawa ko minute.
Well, Kevin, all young players want those minutes, but that right knee had troubled him.
Yun, hinigang na naman.
Yun yan. Laki.
Have some questions for the Suns.
Sino Kijik yun?
Higgins is
Ay, no,
shut in for
Kijik.
Kent Bazemore. And Lillard has got to hit the foul. That's his first foul. And so it's Golden State with it. 4-point game.
Yun ang highlight ng second quarter, meron ng third quarter.
Gets to Nurkic.
Start na ng ano guys, second quarter. Lamang dito Golden State.
Green's got 4 rebounds now tonight.
51-37.
Has had so far. Taken 6th in the 2012 draft out of Legal State. A small school, but this guy became a franchise player immediately.
Nahabol yan, nahabol ang ano.
Yeah, just a
Trade
Teka,
ko.
mantik.
Kinapal ah.
By going with the spike. Here's Oubre.
Kung talaga nag-practice na may dito si Daryl ah.
As that one goes in.
Oo, kaya pala eh.
Well, part of the game plan was to block out the noise and just stay focused.
Ayan po.
A good sign of maturity and steps forward when you can take this kind of effort
Ay, lumabas.
on the road.
Yung sa gitna sa
He's
ano.
checked in for the Trailblazers.
Highlights to guys ng
Trailblazers trail by
highlights ng
18.
ano.
And thinking of Lillard, the numbers over his
Start ng
career.
third quarter. Oh, may foul pa.
20 points per game almost his entire career, and he's kept adding to his game as one of the elite players in our league.
And the Warriors decide to take their first
Saan
time
dito
out
ano
here.
makapiright?
As things present themselves throughout a game, teams have to
Ayan,
adapt
sounds.
on the fly.
Ang ganda rin
Timeouts are
sounds.
a wonderful opportunity to just
Ah, pag yung ganyang sounds makaka-copyright siya?
collect the thoughts of your entire team, not just the guys playing, but the entire team. And really keeping the ball hopping around here offensively.
Collins passes to Nurkic. And that'll be 2 free throws coming up. Officials on the call of the foul. Greg, how special was it for you
Free
that
throw.
you had your number 50 retired at UNLV?
Lasok ko na yun ah. Bakit yung pumasok?
You know, that's something that I can honestly say, as a kid, you dream about a lot of things, winning, you know, playing at the
Guys, may
highest
ulit
level.
ng ano.
That's something I never really fathomed, is to have to stop to that 12 run. Lazy, or you'll pick your pocket and go the other way.
69-59, 10 na lang. Oh, Dinamyo, 12 ulit.
Ang bawi.
Bawi ulit ang ano.
Oh, he just punches
Golden
that one
State.
down with a fury.
Rubs it in a little deeper with the
20
hand.
seconds.
1 second between the shot clock and game clock.
Highlight ng last 13 seconds ng third quarter.
Offensively, they're putting guys in a position now to succeed.
The possession's just way more efficient, I think, here tonight. Taking smarter, better shots, moving the ball around. That's helped them to get back in the ball.
73-61, 12.
Miscommunication on defense. He recognizes it and quickly takes
And
advantage.
guys, yung end ng third quarter.
They might as well talk about
Start ng fourth quarter.
tremendous vision on the part of Lillard, just trying to lead the team right now from the point.
73-63.
Here's Wiseman.
Uy!
That time.
Naku, nag-miss pa dun ah.
Cancel. And he gets the whistle. 2 free throws coming up.
Yung TikTok masok.
Johnny lang.
And he makes
Yun
it.
oh.
McCollum's checked in for Lillard. Higgins is checked in for the Warriors. And so Jones.
Yun, walong na.
Sa Mindanao.
And it's the Warriors with the ball.
Humahabol lang ano ah. Portland ah.
Toscano. And the pass to Wiseman. From downtown.
Tap na nga dito, guys.
Pulls it in.
Nak Ko.
Here's the Trailblazers with the ball. Ball pass to Covington. Now here's Kidd. Takes it to Brown.
Pero sikat na natin ito, sikat na.
Ito, pumasok ko. Magandang laban na, magandang laban.
To contain the Warriors down by 6.
5 na lang, 5. Okay, mahabol lang ano.
Nice passing by Golden State.
Kaya mamaya natin tukuhan ng mahabol.
Down low. Pass to Poole. Fires for three.
Muntik ko pumasok ko.
Warriors missing. Here we go, one-on-one. Here's Jones. Poole.
Yan! Yan! Diretso na.
And now here's Wiseman.
Bagal nung
Fast break
tumakbo ni
kick.
Wiseman eh.
Oubre for three.
Rebound ulit.
Basketball makes him 4 of 8 from the field.
Okay.
Uli! Uli!
4 points na lang, 4 points.
Huwag mo imasok.
Yun o. 1 minute na lang, 46 seconds. Foul.
Sa rin, pinawag ko na.
Free throw, free throw.
And James Wiseman picks up the foul. That's foul number 2 for him. Nurkic dishes to McCollum.
Ikat.
Kita talagang lang. Ay, pumasok. May foul pa. Naku, all na, all. 1 na lang, 1 point. Pumasok, 1 point na lang. Yun, 1 point na lang. Ay, di kita. Talagang ganda ng laban ito ah. Di kita na. Wow.
Curry kicks to Wiseman.
Naku, nakawala si Curry. Nakawala si
Wala takos na. Nashoot na sila.
Nakawala eh. Isang tres lang, 1 minute and 24 seconds. Nagaw pa. Nagaw ni ano, ni Curry yung Canadians papunta kay... Uy! Napal. Napal. Nabutan pa. 1 minute and 16 seconds na. Yun ang laban to guys. Close talaga oh.
Pasok.
Ano na rebound pa ni ano? Uy, na-rebound pa ulit.
Ayun o, sa gilid. Patay kay Green.
Pumasok. Pumasok yung tres. Alim ulit. Kailangan mga tres tayo guys. Kailangan mga tres na ano. Fourth lang. Para makahabol pa. 40 seconds. Foul. Yung sila nga pinaut.
Pinauna. Muntik na ako, muntik.
86 lamang ang anim mga ano guys sa Golden State. Tinira na lang basta ni ano doon, ni Curry ah.
Dapat na ngayon nalawan yung gira.
Lago tres! Tres na lang, lago ko. Nakahapon pa yata.
Wiggins kicks to Curry.
Ay, nakula.
They've shared the
Oh.
ball offensively.
Naka-tres yan, all pa oh.
It's on their field. You can see
Ako all.
they're trying to
Ang ganda na laban oh, all na oh.
11, kaya.
Kaya, yung basa Victor.
11 seconds guys, all.
Tabla panalo lang eh.
Tabla panalo to.
Pagka kita ako, bantayan nyo si Curry.
Pag si Curry ang tumira nito,
Bantayan
yari,
nyo si Curry.
panalo. Pag si Curry nakatira dyan oh.
second call.
5 seconds, aking bola.
Ano yun?
5 seconds, aking bola.
11 seconds left here in the fourth quarter.
Wala.
Foul. Foul.
Ay, mukha na. Pumasok.
Patay. Huwag papatirahin dyan. Huwag papatirahin dyan. Tabla panalo lang.
Ay, pumasok.
Tabla panalo lang.
Tabla, no? Gati kita ng laban, guys.
Wala Paul yun? Mukha na Paul yun ah.
Hindi ka na sa ano eh.
Hands with the timeout by Terry Stotts here.
Sa gandang laban talaga mo. Tabla, guys. Overtime pa. Uy, pumasok.
Uy, wala.
Grabe, di kita, ano?
Dahil lang inaabot.
Ganang laban eh. Sa overtime guys, unang nakascore ang Portland.
Robert Covington out there with pop. And it's Nurkic.
1988.
Ulit pa, ulit.
Good to go.
Well defended that time. He's a shooter and the D has to close down
Yun, nakuko.
when he's ready.
Nakuko, apat ang lamang ano. Paano na nangyari dar? Mukhang nantok na si Daryl ah.
He's got
Uy, naagaw na ulit eh. Kung din naku, anim.
take care of the ball. Fellas, that's what can happen.
Absolutely.
Last 26 seconds na lang siya guys at lamang ang
Now it's an 8-point game.
lamang ng 8.
And I think they realize
Hindi natin si Kari yan. Dalawang tres lang ni Kari yan. Sa yun, pumasok ang isang tres.
Kaya, pa-call na yan.
So far, he's a
21 seconds.
superb scorer who plays to his strength.
Oh, pinalo.
We've got things in show from.
no choice but to foul here, but he's probably the last guy.
Ang mananalo ang Portland ngayon ah. Ako, 8 ulit oh.
Both at the line.
Ay, 7 pala. Tres pala yung kanina.
Safer and safer as these free throws from the stripe go in.
Now
Dalawang
it's
tres niya ni Kari.
by Golden State. They're down by 7. 19 seconds
XX.
left to play in the first overtime. Guys, what do you
Zero
think?
muna.
Trying to keep hope alive, but I don't see them making a comeback.
This is the classic too little, too late. The effort coming and not enough time for them to get back in.
Tinira ni ano?
Passing you want to work
Bilis na po niya.
Ay, si Kari tumira doon?
Ah.
Tres ah. 4 na lang. Dikitan talagang laban siya. Dikitan talagang laban nito.
Wala, pinalis na si Kari.
Here's Simons. In that one.
Ah,
And the Trailblazers lead by
nilabas si Kari ah.
We're in total command of this game.
Ito pa si Kari kasi alam niya nang maraming mapapahiya si Kari.
looking for a miracle.
Sabi niya, bawas ka muna mapapahiya ka.
Kaya pala no.
Coaching staff, I don't know that they have. This game seems to be well in hand.
Yun na nga guys, mukhang mananalo na itong Portland Trail Blazer.
It falls. What a beautiful shot to
Ba?
put into within
Tres?
3. Now a timeout called
Ah,
by
naka-tres
the
pa.
They're up by 3. 11 seconds left to play in OT, and this battle continuing.
Guys, papakita namin yung mga players guys. Ito si Portland Trail Blazer, si James Yap at ito naman si Curry, Stephen Curry. Si Curry. Yan o. Ito guys, matapos na ito.
Kari, disibot.
And on that occasion to stop the clock, that's the enemy of this is
Wala na, yung mga pa.
Kaya pa yan.
And so he drops them both. It's a 5-point game.
Nilabas kasi si Curry.
Nice right there. Not everybody can keep their composure at the line. It's such a big situation.
5 lang o. 5.
There's the master
5 lang.
man.
Sige. Tres.
Lets it go from deep.
Wala na talaga.
Drop corner.
Okay guys, yun ang katapusan. 111-106 final.
Una kinang labak.